Texas. Our safety officer and combat ready fighter pilot.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Charge.
Don't worry, don't worry.
And your 2023 F-22 demo fighter pilot with over 800 hours in the F-22 Raptor. From Davenport, Iowa, Captain Samuel Raz Larson. You are about to witness the maneuvering capability of the most advanced and most lethal fighter aircraft in the United States Air Force. The F-22 you will see today is an unmodified and fully combat-capable aircraft. While we can't show you everything that makes the Raptor the most lethal fighter aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thrust vector maneuvering capability as it executes maneuvers that no other combat-ready fighter pilot in the world can perform. As today's demonstration begins from the right, you'll see the Raptor execute a maximum power takeoff, producing 30,000 kilograms of dust from its powerful F-119 engines, allowing the Raptor to virtually leap off the runway in an amazing 300 meters. At a safe altitude, Captain Larson will aggressively pull to the vertical and push the nose over. So now it is time to stand up.
Hey, you got moving.
Move forward.